Today we are going to deal about the drug shigru. Shigru, as we all know, that we are using in the our daily diet as a vegetable. It is also included under Guduji Adivarga. Coming to the basonym of the drug, Shinodi Tikshnadam Vidadadi. So shigru is having very potent qualities. That is, it is having Tikshna properties. Coming to the vernacular name, in English it is called drumstick, in Hindi it's called sahijan, and in Malayalam it's called moringa. Botanical name is Moringa oleifera. Moringa is derived from the Malayalam name itself, Muringa, and oleifera means oil bearing, and family is Moringaceae. Coming to the classification of the drug, Charaka classifies shigru under Svetopaka varga, Krimigna varga, Shirovirejanopaga varga. Susruta classifies under Varunadi varga Gana, and Bhavaprakasha Nikandu classifies under Gudujyadi varga. Coming to the synonyms and interpretation, first synonyms Shobhanjana, Shobhaman, Shobhamananakti, Shobhaman ityarthaha. Shigru plant is very beautiful. Bahumula Bahuni Mulani Asya, that means shigru plant has many roots. Mojaga Munjadi Niryasova, that means it releases some exudates, contains some oleogum resins. Now coming to the next synonym, Tikshna Mula. Tikshna Mulamasya, root is very potent. Mulaka Parni, Mulaka Seva Tikshnani Parnani Asya. That means leaves are having strong qualities like that of radish. Mulaka is radish. It is also having Tikshna properties. Krishna Gandha, Krishna Marija Tadva Tikshna Gandho Asya. The odor of shigru is very strong like that of black pepper. Or its seeds are also in the color of like that of black peppers, black seeded. Akshiva na shivo madayukta madanashaka ityarthaha. Akshiva means it is useful in intoxication. Harita shaga, Harita shage prayojya. Shigru is used as a green vegetable. And Vidradigna, Vidradim handidi. Shigru is very useful in abscess. So there are synonyms based on properties as well as there are synonyms based on Mojaka synonym, Mojaka, Krishna Gandha, etc. synonyms are based on their morphology also. Habitat cultivated throughout the India. Varieties, Bhavaprakasha Nikandu has told two varieties of shigru, that is shigru and madhu shigru. Madhu shigru is Moringa concanensis. It is having a reddish type of flowers. Coming to the morphology of the drug, small or medium sized tree with bark being corky, soft, thick, deeply fissured, and wood is soft. Leaves are usually tripinnate or multipinnate leaf compound with a slender rachis, thickened and articulated at the base, and pinna and pinnules are opposite. And it is deciduous, their rachetes are very slender, articulated, and with a gland at articulations. So ultimate leaflets, the size is given, and the apex of the leaf is obtuse, marginis ender. That you can see, the main branch shown here is called the main branch shown here is called rachis, and the secondary branches are named as unipinnate, tripinnate according to the divisions. Then coming the leaf shape also, you can see it is a obtuse shaped apex, having obtuse shaped, and these pinna and pinnules are leaflets only which are opposite, and it is also deciduous, it falls off. Now coming to the flowers, it's white in color, large and tuberculous panicles, that is, it is branched racemes. Fruit are pendulous pod, reaching about 45 cm long and 9-ribbed. Seeds are 3-angled and angles are winged. Coming to the chemical constituents of the drug, total plant contains amino acids like leucine, alpha-alanine, aspartic acid, valine, asparagine, fumaric acid, oxalic acid, etc. And pods and leaves contain vitamin A. So they are very good for eye diseases. And also nicotinic acid, ascorbic acid, essential amino acids like arginine, histidine, lysine, leucine and isoleucine. Fruit bark contains 3 alkaloids, moringinin and spirochene. Flowers are having quercetin and camphorol. Seeds show the presence of stigmasterol and a glycoside called moringin. So, coming to the Rasapanchaka of the drug, Rasa is Kadu and Guna, Laghu, Ruksha and Tikshna Guna. Vibhaka is Kadu only and Virya is Ushna. From the Rasapanchaka, we can assume that it is having Tikshna, it is a Tikshna Guna drug. And Dosha Karma is Vada Kapashamaka. And Vyadi Karma is Deepana, Rojana, Vidahakara, Sangrahi, Shukrala, Hridya, Chakshushya, Shwaetuhara, Pramikna, Vishakna, Vranahara, Medohara, Kushtagna, Shulahara, Shwasahara. It can be used in Shwaetu as it is Vada Kapashamaka. And also it is Chakshushya. And Vranahara, coming to the Rogagnada, in which all rogas we are using shigru, that is Shwaedu, that is Shobha, Krimi. In inflammation condition we can use shigru, Krimi, Kushta, Shwasa, Netra Roga, Vishavikara and Shula. Another important sloga in Bhavaprakash Nigandu is cited here. Shigru Valkala Patranam Swarasam Paramartihrit. So, Shigru Valkala, that means stem bark as well as Patra, Swarasa can be used for painful conditions, in painful conditions. And in Chakshushya Shigru Bijam Tikshnokshanam Vishanashanam. Shigru Bija is Vishanashana and as well as Chakshushya, which is Afrishya Kapavadagna Tat Nasyena Shiro Artinut. So this Shigru Bija can also be used in Shiro Arti as a we can give in Nasya form. So it is already classified under Shiro Virejana Gana. So it expels doshas from the Jatru Urtha Gada. Coming to the Amayika Prayoga, Vadakapa Sannibadajam Netrayor Bahuvidam Vedam Shikrameva Jayati Prayojita Shigru Pallavarasa Samakshika. So in Netra Roga, the intake of juice prepared from tender leaves of shigru elevates many diseases of eye caused by visheshana of Vada, Pitta and Kapha and combination of all three doshas. In Shirashula, Guda Shobhanjana Nasye Nasya Yogat Pratak Shiro Artisya Ubashamyadi. So Nasya with the juice of leaves of shigru mixed with jaggery is very effective in headache. In Krimi Roga, sa Shaudram Krimijit Pihi Pitaha Krimiharam Shigrujasya Kwadaha. That means decoction of shigru and vidanga mixed with honey taken in case of krimi. Because of its Tikshna as well as Kadurasa Guna. Kadurasa, we can use shigru in krimi rogas also. Coming to the Ubayukta Anga and Matra. Ubayukta Anga, bark, fruit, leaf, seeds, are all these parts are used. Matra Swarasa 20 to 30 ml and Kwada 30 to 50 ml. Coming to the formulations of the drug, shigru Shobhanjana Leba, Shveda Karaviradi Taila, Kanakashiri Taila are some of the formulations used. One of the famous formulations, Muruvanna, also contains shigru. So as an assignment, you have to refer Muruvanna formulations in next class. Coming to the and also shigru pallava can be used for Shobhahara conditions also. In Shobha conditions, we are using shigru with Saindava and applying in the Shobha regions. That means in the inflammation. So, shigru pallava and arka is also effective in glaucoma conditions for decreasing the intraocular pressure. In Ashmiri also we can use shigru stem bark. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the next class.